Yeah.
Yes, we had Mugutha in Murera, this sides of Kiambu County, and we want to set a 5 kilowatt system. It's off grid, we don't have electricity here, and the customer wants to power the entire house. As you can see, we want to power this entire house. We have appliances, I'll take you through. Here, we are setting up our work. This is Sister Enterprises Limited. We are doing 8 pieces of 550 watts. This is pure mono, well compacted. We have 8 pieces. These are 3. We have 3 more here. We have other 2 pieces here. Those are 8 pieces. Come, follow me. And so this is where we want to set our system. And we have our partners here, SRME. These are proven manufacturers of quality inverters and quality lithium batteries. And from this system, we are going now to solarize this home. We will show you the processes as we continue, step by step, until we commission the system. Stay with us. Senstar Enterprises Limited, we lead in green renewable energy. Karibuni sana, tuendelee kwenda green pamoja. Asante.